a little butter and a little oil, and you get that hot. Saturday morning, what are y'all doing? I am making some fried potatoes. Hope you're having a great day. If you've never been here, my name is Julianne. I'm a stay-at-home mom, and this is what I do. There are some onions and the butter and the oil, and I'm going to saute these until they're cooked a little bit, kind of soft, translucent. Now the little sliced new potatoes are added, and I'll just cook them until some of them are browned up a little bit and get crispy. And then look at this little Ray-Ban holder that I can put my spatula on. I got that at Marshall's also, along with the one that holds the spoons that I showed you the other day. I added a little salt and pepper. So, I'm going to cook these and I'll show you them when they're done. Pretty easy. You can serve them with eggs or just by themselves. Okay, so these are the potatoes, the Saturday morning fried potatoes with the onions and salt and pepper. They smell really good. The onions make them smell really, really good. But they're a favorite. I always say the easiest and most simple recipes are always the winners. Happy Saturday. Tell me if you make these or if you make something similar. Let me know.